Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The third row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. I've started from this ring, then chain, 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 ring, ring, chain, and so on. So here I have the same ring as the first one, and my next step is make another ring like I have here between two chains. I would like to show you how to make it with just one shuttle. So make a knot between two threads. So I will just switch the shuttle thread direction, and I'm going to make the ring. Okay, now we have a ring. Now we need to make a knot between these threads again. So yeah, just to switch the shuttle thread direction as well. And here's our knot. And one more thing I like to do is pulling the shuttle thread through this ring. So I have a loop here. And I'm pulling the shuttle through this loop and holding all these threads, I'm just pulling the shuttle thread. So like we have one knot in the middle of this ring. In this way we will have smooth transition. So see, it is really clean transition. And after that you can make the next chain. So basically this element you can make with two shuttles. That would be easier, but if you would like to use just one shuttle, it's not a problem at all. So as usual, pull the ball thread through a picot, then pull the shuttle through this loop. And another very important moment, you need to make the ball thread straight. So you're just switching the shuttle thread to that side. And after that, you can make another chain. So that's 7 double stitches. And again, pull the thread through a picot and pull the shuttle through this loop. Again, make this thread straight and continue working. And yeah, this is how it should be. Sharon, Deborah, and Nilu, thank you so much for sharing your beautiful works. I can't even describe my emotions when I see your progress. Amazing! Thank you so much. And just a reminder for others, if you're tatting along, please feel free to tag me in your posts, and your work will be featured in my next video. If you'd like to support me, please scan this Buy Me a Coffee QR code or check out my Etsy shop, when you will find even more tatting inspirations, patterns, and ideas. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And have a great time tatting. See you in the next video. Bye!